There's one devotee in Delhi, before coming to Krishna consciousness, he used to read books and find out mistakes in the books. Even from the authors like Charles Dickens, Mahadevi Verma, William Shakespeare, he would find out mistakes. Hey, there is redundancy. This is not the accurate word. The right word should be this. Very pakka, very intellectual person. So he came to Iskcon and he said, so, aapka Swamiji ka masterpiece kya hai? What is the masterpiece of your Swamiji? Bhakt ne bola, well, masterpiece, Bhagavatam. Like, give me Bhagavatam. So this is the year 1991. He got one copy of Bhagavatam, 3500, got one copy, started reading. First canto. This is how he read first canto. After reading first canto, cigarette छूट गई. Second canto, meat निकल गया. Third canto, दारू निकल गई. And then he was stunned. Now what's this? Mistakes मैं निकालता हूँ, मेरी mistake निकले जा रही है. क्या हो रहा है? And then he kept on reading Srila Prabhupada's books. And even today, 1991 का पुराना devotee, today he's 31-year-old in the movement. Usually those who are 31 in the year, it's in the movement, they do not do book distribution. And then now we go for high profile services. Book distribution is for newcomers. You do. Now high profile devotee. 31 years in the movement, Prabhu. 31 years. But this devotee, even today, he goes on the roads in Delhi, which is most populated and most polluted city in the world. We have the gold medal. Helly, smelly Delhi, as some of the sannyasis they call Delhi. It's a hellish place, it's a smelly place, it's Delhi. This devotee, he distributes books from morning till evening. And when he comes back, when he spits in the wash basin, the spit is black. But even today he goes out for book distribution. He says, Prabhu, ye books magical hai. Ye isne meri galtiyan nikali in books ne. They are so powerful books. So even today he goes on for this book distribution because he read those books. By reading the books, he has that conviction.